Get outdoors more with the stunning and spacious 12 by 14 foot Meridian Gazebo. Built using 100% cedar and finished in a natural cedar stain, the 12 by 14 foot Meridian Gazebo will add instant character to any yard. This stylish and peaceful retreat is sure to become a familiar gathering place for family and friends. The beautiful design also features a coffee brown aluminum roof, which will deliver relaxing shade for years to come. The spacious 12 by 14 foot Meridian Gazebo is large enough to hold most outdoor furniture and dining sets. Solid and sturdy, the gazebo kit can be attached to any structurally safe surface. Your new gazebo is designed for stress-free assembly. The wood comes pre-cut and pre-drilled, so all parts fit together with ease. Just follow the illustrated step-by-step instruction manual or watch the helpful hints assembly video at yardistrystructures.com. The 12 by 14 foot Meridian Gazebo is a sophisticated and beautiful escape. It's sure to add a stylish and modern look to your outdoor living space.